welcome to my channel, guys. I'm going to open my order from Shopee. So this is from Shopee. I'm gonna open it up. And this is it, guys. OMG, why so small? This is so small. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. And my phone will be here. See. And this is my desktop phone stand. I will, try this one, guys. So, see, yeah. So this is it, guys. My phone stand. Thank you, Shopee. I order white color, and they gave me the right color. So thank you, Shopee, for my order that is correct. And yeah, this is it, guys. My phone stand. Maybe I can do this also whenever it is be, horizontally. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. This is just my simple desktop phone stand. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. God bless.